Morning, everyone. Ron Crider reporting from Vero Beach. Tropical storm Isaias slowly pushing closer to South Florida and the Treasure Coast early Sunday morning, but is no longer expected to re-strengthen into a hurricane. According to the 5 a.m. Sunday advisory from the National Hurricane Center, the tropical storm now has a maximum sustained winds of 65 miles per hour and moving northwest at 9 miles per hour. The hurricane warnings in Palm Beach County and the Treasure Coast have been dropped and replaced with tropical storm warnings. The latest forecast track has a landfall along the coast of Palm Beach County, northern Palm Beach County, or Martin County on Sunday morning. Northeast Palm Beach County and the majority of the Treasure Coast area are still in the cone. The storm is expected to be in the Treasure Coast area between 1 and 4 o'clock today. I shot some video here at the Victoria 5680 A1A here in Vero Beach this morning at 7 a.m. This is some of the video that I took. Wind was blowing at about 25 to 30 miles per hour at 7 o'clock this morning. As you can see how the sea grapes are blowing here. It wasn't any more unusual than some of the storms we've had throughout the year so far. And again, as I say, that was at 7 a.m. And then I took some shots of the surf here. Compared to yesterday, obviously, it's as you can see, it's beginning to churn up somewhat. But then again, it's been like this quite frequently throughout the year when we do have storms blowing through here, so this isn't particularly unusual. The Victoria is in pretty good shape here. We haven't had any damage whatsoever yet, but we don't really expect the storm to be up here until sometime between maybe 1 and 4 this afternoon with the brunt of it. But it does appear, as you'll see on the chart at the end here, that was put together at 4 a.m. this morning, it does seem to get closest to Vero Beach this afternoon. I'll keep shooting this video throughout the day. Probably the next time I do it will be maybe 10 or 11. And of course, I'll get out into the thick of it once the storm does get up here, and I'll get you some good video to give you an idea of what it looks like at that time. As you can see, the sea grapes are blowing a little bit, and the palm trees are blowing a little bit as well. Obviously, you can hear the wind blowing in the microphone of the camera. And this will give you an idea of where it is expected to be.